Hello everybody, my name is RenXD and welcome to Will You Press the Button? So we're going to be playing this game to see the darker side or the lighter side of me. Pokemon become real, but Pokemon battles are illegal. Well, I've never really watched Pokemon or played Pokemon before, so I don't really know, hey, you know what? Let's do it, because you can still have some pretty awesome characters in their life. That'd be freaking awesome. I'm familiar with Pokemon, but I just don't watch it. Yes, I would press that button because you don't lose anything technically, unless you hate Pokemon. They have talent shows though. That's great. You will become a brilliant scientist like Einstein, known and wanted by everyone in the world. But you become mentally ill? Fuck no! I'm already stupid and I don't give a shit. I'm already mentally ill. Oh, poor person. Okay. You can change your physical appearance mentally. Your gender alternates on a daily basis. So you change your physical appearance mentally. Which means it's not actually changing, it's just in your mind. That's what I'm catching from that. But your gender alternates on a daily basis? No! It doesn't matter. It's mental. It's not physical. I would not press that. You have much more quality. Intelligence, more energy, and passion for the things you love. You'll live half a lifespan shorter. I'm a boring person, but no, I want to live as long as I can. I don't want to be like an old fucking vegetable, but I don't want to do that. You become a master artist for little girls' cartoon shows. Fuck you, game. I am actually an art major in college, and I suck at art. This would be great, but for little girls' cartoon shows, you know what? Maybe I could do a profession that I would do. Think, Connor. Think. You gain eternal happiness, but everyone you love is suffering, and all you can do is smile. What the fuck? That's fucked up. No, oh my god, just to think about that. I'm having a great time, and my bro Mikey's just over there. I'm not pressing that. I'm not that. The one who pressed that button is cruel. Oh, that's horribly. Something beneficial happens to you. Each day for the rest of your life, you will have to do something unpleasant, or something unpleasant happens to you. No, that's just horrible. You have the greatest adventure in your lifetime, but you can never return home. I would press that button. Hell yeah! You get the car of your dreams. Oh my god, a freaking Pagani Zonda. Fuck yes, I love that car. You have to sit and stare at it for 6 months before you can drive it. Hell yes, my car's a piece of shit. I can just stare at it in my driveway. What the fuck? What is wrong with people? Why would you say no to that? I would press that any day. You earn $1 million a year, but your feet have one big toe and no other toes. Would I trade my feet for $1 million? Fuck yes, I would just have them both amputated and get those fucking little metal feet that are meant for like fucking Olympic sprints, and then I get $1 million a year. Hell yeah, man. Then I get my dream car in like 2 or 3 years. Hell yeah. But I already have it in 6 months, so why not? You get to screw any girls you want whenever you want. They only last 5 minutes. No, I'm not a prostitute. I'm not a man slut. You were able to travel anywhere in the universe. You know every location in your head and immortal. You can return to Earth every Christmas. Aww. Yeah. I would just take everyone with me. If I'm able to travel anywhere, I could just take anyone with me. And I could go to freaking... Oh my god, I can go to the Star Wars universe. Oh my god. You get the ability to travel in time. Why are they all the same things about time travel? You can only travel in one direction, future or past, whichever you choose before gaining the ability. So I'm gonna leave that one to you guys. Would you rather go back in time or in the future? Or would you just not press at all? I'll leave that one with you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video of Would You Press the Button? I'll see you guys later. Peace out.
Salting crackers with rock salt. I like 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 salting crackers with rock salt. I like